Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with Miss Nipra TV. I'm College English Education of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. Today in this video, I will tell you about 3 most inspiring people in my life. In this video, I will take the top 3 women and the most extraordinary women for me. Okay, the first one, the most inspiring people is my mother. My mother is my inspiring, my everything. She's very strong, hardworking mother. She's an inspiring figure to his children because she always encourages her children in everything. Like the time when I wanted to go to college, my mother desperately wanted me to continue my education to a higher level, and she was proud, of course, and she said not to be like him. I was determined to continue my education because of my own desires and my mother's wishes, of course, because among my brothers and my sisters, my mom only works alone because my dad's been sick when I was 4th grade because of her hard work, goodness, and brotherhood toward us children. And this is what inspired me by my mother. I actually have a lot to say here, but it's very difficult to put into words about my mother in this video. Okay, next, the second one, the most inspiring people for me is Najwa Shihab. The thing that makes me like and inspired is the Najwa Shihab courage in commenting on his simple but comfortable lifestyle. She's smart, which makes him a person of influence in politics or in some way, because every opinion he makes is consistent with logic and reason. So if she thinks it's just a small but fitting fit. In addition, the Najwa Shihab style of interviewing politicians with various issues raised makes him respected. As a woman, Najwa Shihab assesses that women in Indonesia have many opportunities to make changes. It's just there's still a considerable gap when you see successful women and successful men. So unconsciously, women often underestimate themselves systematically. Women often consider themselves no better than men. There's a recurring version. It's the face of success in male and negative correlation to women. The Najwa Shihab story. There is a growing difference between successful women and successful men. Some believe that women who want to do something are viewed as being highly desirable. It makes women feel shy. To be able to change these perceptions, society, Nana mentioned the key was on mindset, how to convince himself when she hit something. And the last one, the most people inspiring in my life is Maudy Ayunda. Why I would be why would I be inspired by Maudy? Because she always felt that he was lacking in knowledge. Even she graduated with a good grade, but he always things wanted to know things and always learn from others, whether young or old. She didn't want to learn anything and learn with the person. And it's rare for a woman like Maudy to put any education above him. There are even two leading universities in the world at Harvard University and Stanford University. In Harvard University, where a Master of Education program is prestigious, and at the Stanford University, Maudy was admitted to colleges in California, the United States, is the Master of Business Administration. Maudy Ayunda was also an Oxford University graduate with cum laude course in just 3 years of college. While in college, Maudy joined in the Oxford Economics Society and is believed to be the head of speakers in charge of inviting speakers. Maudy Ayunda was also a master of 3 languages, actively speaking a speaker. Because of her fluent Korean language, Maudy was often invited to be part of the international forum. Among them were speakers in the 2017 Diaspora Congress featuring former President Barack Obama of the United States. Beyond that, present as the youngest speaker at the regional conference development, the Millennium Development. So that I'm very inspired Maudy Ayunda. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.